Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is Vijaya. My today's topic is how to fetch details, how to fetch input from SQL and how to add that to the queue. So using invoke method and as a dictionary. So that is I'll show you today. So this is a very simple and small workflow which I have created. This is for juniors, so you can easily do it. This is not that much big deal. So first of all, we have connection string we have to provide. For that, we will have some possibility exceptions. Here I put some comment actually, like SQL server unavailable, authentication failure, network failure. So these many types of common errors will occur. For that, I have used here exception handling also. That is also I'll show you. And first of all, we have provide the connection string. That connection string having all the details like password, user ID, that ID, all the details. So that organization will provide all the details. Actually, we just simply we can pass connection string. Okay, so that is we can fetch from the config file. Okay, and now just I have created one output variable for this, that is database connection. Okay, and that I have passed in this. Here I have given simple query. So like this we have to give, and this connection output, this output also I have created. This is the output of the execute query. Using execute query, we are fetching the data from SQL. Here I am checking the condition like execute query output is nothing, or else execute query output rows.count.0. Okay. So then if nothing, if the data is there, if the data is not there, so in both scenarios I am checking. So here if the connection failed or any system exception or timeout or server unavailability or any kind of error will occur, because this is a common type I have given here. So any type of because we can give it in separate, but business exception as a system exception. But for juniors I have created like this. Common exception I have created here. So if the sorry, this also I need to change. This is because this is a common thing I have created like that. Okay, so if the exception comes, any database failure, so which I told you na in the this comment, what I told you as per this, any this is also exceptions. So it will catch in the catch block. Once will catch that and it will rethrow the exception to the parent XAML, or if it is RE framework, based on the situation, based on the workflows, it will be depending on. So now we are disconnecting. So finally block will execute always. So we are disconnecting the, we are passing that connection for this database connection. Now it's disconnected also, not a problem for this. Now we have already got the output of this data table variable execute query output. So now this I am creating one dictionary variable, and in that I have used for each, and for that for each I have passed execute query output dot columns. In that invoke method I have created for this dictionary variable I have created and I've passed in this. And finally I have add queue item here. So in this invoke method I'll show you parameters. This is a column dot name and current row of column. So this is a column name and current row. This is already I explained in my previous videos. Just go and watch that so you people can understand very easily. This is a method is add method. Okay, and the queue name I have created, and finally I have disconnected. Okay, this is I hope this is very useful for learners. So simply I just explain within a short time. So um, just closing this. Thank you all. Please subscribe my channel.